Hey guys, what's up? I got a really interesting video today. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and take you guys through affiliate marketing. And I'll be literally showing you guys everything. So let's get started. So Russell Brunson has this book called .com Secrets, and it's literally a free book that he gives away. And he has an affiliate program where if I look for .com Secrets book, and there's also Expert Secret books. Let's see the affiliate programs he has for these two books, and they're both free books. So like driving traffic and getting sales to a free book is really easy. It's much more easier compared to selling an affiliate product. So Expert Secrets, you earn $1 book. .com Secrets, you earn $1 book. So it's the same. So I'm going to try the affiliate marketing for .com Secrets. As you see, he already has a bunch of free ad copy that I could go ahead and use. These are banner ads that no one are using on Instagram, and I'm planning to run these to Instagram swipe up ads. And he also even has ad copy, which is insane. This is awesome. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start by making our ad. So I'm going to open up Photoshop, create a new ad, and then I want it vertical, so it's going to be 720 by 1280, great. And then I'm going to go ahead and get one of these banner ads. I'm really digging this ad, so let's go ahead and use this ad. I want to see if I could somehow get the image file. Try this one. Copy, paste. Awesome, here's the image. I'm going to save the image as, and go ahead and upload the image here. Let's try something. Like, what if we put two of these stacked on top of each other? That'll be pretty crazy. Let's give that a try. This one, do you own a company? And then get this, copy, paste. Put this on here, zoom it out as well, and we'll put a Instagram swipe up feature. This looks like a cool old school ad that people would actually swipe up to, I reckon. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and save this. I'm gonna airdrop it to myself. Image is now sent through. I'm gonna go on Instagram. Here is the ad. Get an emoji that says swipe up. Nope, too white. Can't blend in the background. Swipe up. Try something like this. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and save this. I'm going to airdrop it back to my laptop. Gonna open up Final Cut Pro and make it 15 seconds long to get the most real estate possible. Copy, paste, paste, export. Now I'm gonna go open up Facebook.
Yeah, yeah.